Hello everyone, I'm Saidith and welcome back to my channel Saitech. In today's video to the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay battery drain test and the heating test in the MI 11X device by using the Ultra HD settings. Yes friends, this is a question which was requested by one of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. Let me show you exactly the comment what I have received. As you can see friends, this is the exact comment which I got, as you can see. So please do the battery drain test using this kind of Ultra HD settings and the frame rates. So how much the frame rates will be dropped, and using even the testing the heating as well. That is the one thing which I got the message. So that of doing the mini battery drain test and heating test on this phone, I'll try to play for about maybe 1 hour of time. So in case if you want me to do intense kind of test, definitely let me know in the comment section below. But using the Ultra HD, only few users will be able to play this kind of settings. That is the reason I thought of only selecting few amount of time. Right now the battery percentage is kind of close to 61%, as you can see, exactly 61% when we started exact. And I'll try to use this kind of floating FPS meter as well. So by using this we can actually track how much FPS is kind of dropping. Room temperature is pretty normal, it's only 30 degrees. So as requested, there is no AC, there is no cooler, nothing, just only normal fan is turned on. So 33 degrees right now, 33.4, not bad, 33.4 and 33 degrees. So all the phone temperature is 33 degrees, my room temperature is 30 degrees. Let's see friends how much the temperature can actually increase and how will be the game using the Ultra HD setting. That is what I'm going to show you exactly. Let me try to use the Ultra HD and Ultra. As you can see friends, I'm trying to use Ultra HD during this time of demonstration clearly, as you can see exactly. And first let me try to start the normal team deathmatch, and I'll try to use the classic match next, just for the showing demonstration purpose only how much FPS is kind of maintaining. That is what I'm just trying to show you, and later I'll try to play the classic match itself. So I'll try to even show you the boot camp FPS drop test, how much is kind of dropping. So how much FPS is dropping in the boot camp. That is what I'll try to show you using the Ultra HD settings. Let me try to show you. Right now I'm getting only 40 FPS, that's it. So using the Ultra HD settings you cannot expect higher FPS anyway. It will be restricted to 40 FPS using the Ultra HD. That's the one thing you should always remember. So this is a very useful feature friends, which I really like in the MI UI, particularly this kind of real-time floating. That's fantastic. The only thing is that it's kind of really disturbs for some kind of users. It will definitely annoy them. So during this time I did not use much volume, just only little bit kind of loudspeaker I'm trying to keep, not much. As you can see friends, 30 FPS and 40 FPS only I'm getting. So obviously friends, using the Ultra HD you cannot expect 60 FPS to come in the MI 11X device. It's kind of restricted using this kind of graphics by default game itself. So right now 61% when the battery is there. I did start the game at 61% only. I started the game. So let's see, 640 FPS I'm getting right now, not bad. FPS and let's see what will be the real-time FPS. Again 40 FPS only friends during this time of testing. So right now I did start the stopwatch as well. So again I'll be back after maybe 30 minutes just to show you how is the temperatures are going on in this phone. As you can see friends, right now it's kind of really smooth, not much problem, but definitely the FPS will be dropping close to 40 only. That's the reason you'll be seeing definitely lag while using this kind of settings. Absolutely. So I'll try to do the drop test as well, FPS drop test in the Sana bootcamp in case if you wanted. So let's see what will happen with the. So just only final match, we are very close to the end. Let me to go back and show you the Sanak bootcamp FPS drop test, how much the FPS will be dropping. So and then I'll try to continue playing, and again I'll be back after close to 30 minutes of time, and just within close to 5 minutes of time the temperature increased by 3 degrees, 36.4 degrees right now we're experiencing, as you can see 36.4, and the back's at 36 degrees, not bad. And the battery percentage dropped to 60%, and during this time of testing I'm trying to use close to kind of 70% brightness. 70% brightness I'm trying to use during this time of demonstration. And just as a mini review only I'm trying to do, friends, mini battery draining and heating test. That is what I'm trying to do, not doing continuously complete drain, because complete battery drain will take completely a lot of time for me to spend, so playing this kind of game non-stop. So that is the reason I thought of doing just for only a few minutes. So let's see how much FPS will be dropping during this time. So I'll try to drop exactly maybe in the boot camp, and I'll try to show you the results. So what will happen with the boot camp results? And exactly boot camp we are going to drop it, and I'll be showing you what will happen. So these are, as I said, by using this kind of FPS meter you can actually track how much FPS will be getting. So in case if you want me to do any other different test on the MI Linux device, so let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to do those kind of videos as soon as possible for you all. Absolutely. Now let's see, friends, what will happen with the FPS using the Ultra HD. You can actually be able to see it properly right now. Now you'll be able to see it, how much it is. So 41, 39 FPS, not bad. 39, 40, 38, 39, 38, 40. So overall 38 is the lowest I did see doing this kind of testing. So again I'll be back after 30 minutes of continuously playing this classic match, and then I'll try to speak about the Visa performance and everything. How is the gameplay overall during this time of testing? That is what I meant. So let me try to concentrate playing the game non-stop continuously, so not lag, nothing. So playing some type of classic match as well, it's kind of really good to see. So same kind of FPS I'm trying to get, 40 FPS only during this time of demonstration. So apart from that, nothing I'm getting. So same kind of brightness only. So right now we're kind of close to 10 minutes of time continuously playing this game, and I'll try to show you exactly what is the temperatures after 10 minutes of playing the game non-stop. And using the Ultra HD, a little bit kind of temperature might increase, but let's see how much the temperature will increase. That is a question actually. So few of the users, they actually do have this kind of interesting questions. So how much temperature can the increase, can the MI Linux device, if you're trying to use Ultra HD settings? Right now we're getting close to 10 minutes of non-stop continuously playing this game. And let's check the temperatures what right now, how much it is. The temperature right now it's of 36.8 degrees, not bad. 36.8 only, it's maintaining non-stop. 36.4 and 36.8 during this time of demonstration. It's not increasing much, only 36 degrees. And the battery dropped to 58%. From 61 it dropped to 58%. So 3% decreased for 10 minutes. So let's see, friends, after 30 minutes how much it can be actually decreasing by playing continuously. I'll try to come up again after some time. As you can see, friends, right now I'm playing continuously for 30 minutes of non-stop Ultra HD settings in the MI Linux device, and let's check the temperatures. So temperature is of close to 35 degrees, 34, 36, not bad, and you can see the FPS drop, and right now the battery percentage is 52%, as you can see. For 30 minutes I'm playing continuously and it dropped to 52%. So overall 9%, I think 9% is decreased, yes. So 9% for 30 minutes only using this Ultra HD settings. And temperature also remaining only at about 36 degrees only, friends, not bad. So this without using any kind of room or any kind of cooler at all during this time of demonstration. I did not use any cooler, no AC, nothing. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning for you all. So in case if you have any other queries, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to do those videos for you all in case if you are interested. So I'm going to be back exactly of close to maybe 1 hour of not continuously playing these classic matches in this phone. So I'll try to play only the classic match, not the team deathmatch. So let's see how much battery can it decrease and how much temperature can it increase. That is what my main motive. So again, I'll be back after 1 hour. So right now, as you can see, friends, I'm playing the game continuously for about close to 1 hour of game in this MI Linux device. And meanwhile, let's show the battery percentage, how much it got dropped. It got dropped to 44%, as you can see, friends. I started from the 61% and right now it dropped to 44%. I think overall close to 17 kind of percentage got decreased during this time of testing. 17% for 1 hour, and the temperature did not increase. No, temperature remained around 36 degrees only during this time of testing. So only 36 degrees is the highest temperatures, and I did see during this time of testing only 17% battery got dropped using the Ultra HD settings. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and this is a quick review and summary about the Realme X1 Max. And in case if you have any other questions, so make sure to let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.